Visit West Guadalcanal constituency and the site of engine boats being used as the main primary mode of transport is one of the familiar sights you'll associate with the area. Engine boats are the heartbeat of life along the West Guadalcanal coast, transporting people, goods and connecting remote communities. Navigating the treacherous sea and rough waves along the West Guadalcanal coast requires not just courage, but skill, especially the skill to maintain and repair the very engines that power these boats and connect communities. This is why Joseph Vale from Wandere Bay decided to build a business, a service dedicated to keeping his people moving. As a qualified two-stroke mechanic, Joseph uses his expertise to serve his community.
Nemplomi Joseph Vale. Me one for two-stroke mechanic. Later 89 to 90s. Before tension. Me one for workman lo 𝗘𝗵𝗀𝗀. Me for starting 𝗘𝗵𝗀𝗀 lo Suzuki motor. So height blow tension. Me come stop lo home. After that one meeting him normal. Oh, me help him with people blow place blow me. So area blow me work Wandere Bay ward, especially main transporter blow Wandere Bay ward me wala working boat and engine. Me wala me pinsima class 6 blow me lo me school lo Wandere Bay primary school. So me wala finish lo 89. Time ya kota water community high school noma kota provincial secondary noma. So out lo 40 student o kata popalan kota go lo provincial secondary. Mi pala noma staka lo mi pala noma na. So mi go join him na kota short courses lo Ministry of Commerce. That's it. So after that one me into my apprentice lo mi lo 𝗘𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀 time Suzuki motor him no 𝗘𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 this time yeah. And then what take me or send me lo CJ lo 3 years. So mainly me work with him 𝗘𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 me take him courses lo CJ time Solnalan College of Education yeah. And no SINU this time. So after that one me come back. Mingo lo mi take paper lo two-stroke mechanic lo CJ. After that one, mingo take intermediate level blow me lo diesel engine fitter and welding fabrication. Me take finish mingo for 5 years for heavy planet machinery and one logging company or call them 𝗪𝗧𝗧. So 5 years me stop me ose makira man na ya. Gogo mi sabe langus lo makira tu. So height blow tension mi lo makira. Me stay with him what people lo there or things say me makira no ma me full guale no. So after that one me come back then me stay long. Area where me wala guacaloem hem na Wandere Bay water. Wandere Bay water start lo ge and no lo Tina river where you wala go. And part lo South Guadalcanal. Hem now me wala SIBC motor machine blood. For example this one I'm still lo this one yeah, hem 2 days na lo siya, boat blame and pieces now. You look him to Palastonia, lo dia now, boat em blocketa, lo marugo yeah. Everything lo here yeah, me pala no change him yeah, just clean him no more. Only things inside no more, some piston ring, piston pin, or the piston end bearing, main bearing, okay, no more pala out inside. This time we manage for me wakana on this machine. 2 days lo sina. Solo atam boat blem barawa break now. Stay low there.
Running a small business in such a rural setting comes with its challenges. But for Joseph, the real reward isn't measured in money. It's in the smiles and the gratitude of the people who depend on his work every day.
If mi pala polong rate belum pala, which is what approve mi pala, polong paper belum pala. Even what people home, buy no pity more than 1 hour. But mi pala non doing that one. Especially lo labor cost for me and friendly way. Otan doing things for me, me happy with him oketa, then me give him what to buy. Spare part, that one no me pala paying. Because he no blow me. Mi pala no sabi wake, takana so. Then what tool blow mi pala, me market then me pay now some tool, but I no set good. Set osem go kasem wata buy me tens blow mi pala mechanic ya. Wata slide hammer, wata flying wheel puller, wata meters ya, test meters, wata kind of same mi pala no set it. Because no anyone supporting mi pala. Sat overall mi pala sab take more than 10. SIBC mi pala sab take 30 to 40 inside 1 month. Because in no logia no pool area.
How many for boys na you got him at 𝗀𝗵𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗃 workshop?
Po pala no. But no anyone pay mo kaya wata come time willing no ma. Sampala train haba wata run away too. Yeah, wakaya even me love him. I go mi die. No matter me go meet him wata friends wata 𝗘𝗱𝗂𝗁, even go custom route taya. We survive him, stack of people finish low him. And then best one fella partner that one. One fella Selenia and anytime. If me keep him Selen by me good. But story me say me upload family blow me. Me no touch him in or say me no copra or me no touch him belonging blow wala. Me leave no lo paper. Me got scopa, me put an engine, me what, yeah? So me looking, me like him no more future, anyone, ogata mas garem kind money too.
Seeing the growing demand for his skills, Joseph has begun training young boys from his community, passing on his knowledge to the next generation of engine mechanics. He calls on his leaders to support such small businesses and more so give rural youth the chance to study such skills, as the recognition of the youth skills by qualified institutions will help youth support their family and community.
Because full part law here, no in man him take him 8 out of paper during time blow wala. So me help him out of people. This time part law look and learn, me share him now job ya. Ota staka ota ndum seleva na staka waka, especially place blow me. Oketa boy blow mia ota waka, ota ndum sa samvala simple job ota doing. Okat nongo po osem ota nongo lo kata RTC, but nivala locally training mo kata. Amigo pa ipo ota testi mo kata. I think about taking some paper lo practical way. Staka we mi training mo kata locally or ata doing waka na. And then me looking out no na pet ya. Out should go take him no kind technical work so same because I'm helpful to Maslow, especially home. Me try hard for okata upgrade him no. Okata kind place so me for last like start him, especially provincial member blomipala, national parliament blomipala, and even though government, because people who to live there, but an engine mainly transport blomipala. You must carry boat an engine by ungarem selen. If no more, no more, because onyara lo nasaki. One me like him no more. Ogata shoot disala ogata shoot courses where a SINU and RTC this time. And shoot follow me pala up. Then we'll send them go oketa people yeah. You know people stay low town no more. Okata shoot take him now disala courses here.
In the heart of West Guadalcanal, the sound of an engine isn't just noise. It's the rhythm of life, connection, and resilience. And for people like Joseph Vale, it's a calling that keeps his community moving forward.